There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Quick summary. A bird lands on elephant's head and elephant freaks out. Elephant scares the bird away, but it comes back with another bird with whom it makes a nest and lays eggs. After elephant complains of the things on his head, Piggy encourages him to use his words and ask them to go somewhere else, which in the end they do. A little bit about Mo Willems. Mo Willems is an American writer, animator, voice actor, and creator of children's books. He has 2 very popular series, the Elephant and Piggy series and the Pigeon series. He's won quite a few awards on many books throughout the series, including the Caldecott Medal, Goodreads Choice Awards Best Picture Book, and the Theodore Seuss Geisel Award. I would use this book in my classroom along with all of the Elephant and Piggy books and the Pigeon books. They're fun reads to have in the classroom, and they're fantasy books that teach social skills. The books tend to be culturally responsive, using situations that are a bit absurd, but that most children could understand. When reading There's a Bird on Your Head, you could discuss with the students how they would feel if a bird landed on their head, understanding that that's not really a very realistic thing to happen, but they would still be able to understand how frustrating that could be if that did happen to them. I would also discuss how Elephant yells and better ways that he could communicate. At the end of the book, we would also talk about how happy Elephant was once he used his words. My biggest tips when reading these books in a classroom, any of the Elephant and Piggy or Pigeon books, would be to read them ahead of time so that you can understand the flow of the conversation, since they're written in kind of a conversation format, and that animation is a must in voice, body language, and facial expression. The more you get into these books, the more the kids love it. I read it to my 2 and 3-year-olds a couple of days ago, and they were giggling at certain parts of it, and when we read it a second time, they read it with me, and they thought it was hilarious to be able to yell and then to whisper, and then they adjusted their facial expressions mimicking mine. It was quite entertaining. Definitely books that the kids will love.